Does your restaurant offer online ordering? And if you do, is it done in a way that's most convenient for your customers? Not so much, huh? Online ordering can be a snap and totally effective with Avidity App's online ordering. We'll take your menu, make it fully interactive, and add it right to your website and Facebook page with an Add to Order button. If you don't have a website or Facebook account, we'll create them for you. Customers simply see a menu on your site, or even better, they can order with our built-in iPhone and Android app. Everything is simple and convenient. They just choose what they want, click, and we'll send their order straight to your POS system, email, or fax, whatever's more convenient for you. Your customers can order for delivery or pickup, and you charge your customers directly. You just pay us a small setup and a small monthly fee, no commission. Avidity App's online ordering works with small mom-and-pop cafes or restaurant chains. We have the best mobile apps, menu integration, point of sales, payment integrations, marketing tools, and of course, pricing. Get online ordering working for you. If you don't see a return on investment in 30 days, we'll return your setup fee. The app market is filling up fast. Now's the time to get in. Sign up today by clicking the big orange button to get started.